Interesting. Really? Wow. What? Interesting. How do you make this? Uh, that's so funny. How do you make this? Keep on top, keep on top, keep on top, keep on top, keep on top. Wasn't that a feature? Okay, whatever. Thank you, honey. It's gamer time. Yes, here we go. Let's-a go, Mario. I'm desperately trying to get this chat tab to stay on top. 2 ways. Is this even right? Da da da. Download Power Toys. Desk pins. With ease. I thought this was just a feature. To use the always on top feature. Using desk pins. Using Power Toys. Alright. I'll just have to neurotically tab back and forth. Why is this being served to me like this? What did I do that would cause the game to do this? It's not running in dev mode at all. Why is that? My branch? That would be very strange. I'm all screwed up. why wouldn't it be? Oh man, that is so funny. Wow. Thank you. Down we go. Just don't even bother. Do not show again. Okay. Why would that be? Is the volume better? Maybe not. Does this even work? Yeah, it does. Fascinating stuff. Very interesting. Oh. Uh-huh. Whatever. Oh, this is very bizarre. No, this is not working. Very strange. Okay, cool. All right, so the problem that we're here to solve today together is the player. Oh, node. The problem that we're here to solve today is that it's really annoying to round positions right now, and there are problems where I showed Oddworg last night. In the demo for Igua, if the player's at an awkward position, they will get, their eyes will be all screwed up. So then I did a bunch of crazy hacks to try and fix that by polluting, or rather modifying the prototypes that Pixie.js gives me to round all the positions. And that sort of worked, but now the consequence of that seems to be that there's some jittering when you have somebody following you or when you have balloons on you. So if we add our little guy, where's the Digua following? Yeah, this one. If we have our little follower, he kind of vibrates as he goes up the ramp there, and that didn't used to be the case. The other thing is when you have ballons, 911 or something like that. They also kind of vibrate, especially when you have poison. Yeah, like they really get vibraty. I don't like either of these things. I think there's a third thing too. If I have a firefly, firefly dot at player show, then it also, well, before it would vibrate a lot, but now I had changed it so that it basically stays right on the player's ass, so it wouldn't vibrate anymore. But what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of all my awesome hacks and start from the beginning, because I was just doing a bunch of stuff that doesn't make any sense. So let's do it. So we're going to uncomment all this shit, or we're going to comment out all this shit. We can observe already. Look how wonderful that is. Look at that. Oh, you probably can't see it because I'm streaming at 30 FPS. I wonder if I can even change that on the fly. Probably not. Probably for good reason. Yeah, it's locked in. Whatever. But you can see that their faces look really dumb right now, and that's because of the rounding. Hey, but the balloons look good. Let's see. So we're going to go to Firefly. We're going to revert this. We're going to go to Balans. We're going to revert this. And what was the third one? NPC. No, follower. NPC. Two of them. Oh, three of them. Whatever. Oh, actually, this is for something unrelated, but it's also stupid. Okay. So now we have a wonderful vibrating character and a wonderful vibrating friend. Oh, and I think the friggin' camera does it too. No, this is okay. Ish, I think. Round. I think the player camera, though. Yeah, this is not right. Alright, so now it should just be all jacked. Oh! It almost works nicely. Okay. It looks like the biggest, most annoying thing is the vector graphics are kind of gross. It's probably, again, not visible on 30 FPS, but for example, you can see that like gap underneath the tree, between the terrain and the tree, sometimes. And sometimes this player will, yeah, looks stupid. So maybe the thing that will make me happiest is just manipulating, or just maybe messing with the geometry prototype. And then I'll be happy world, happy boy. Let's try that out. Da 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 da. And I want to say that's mesh, but I have a feeling that mesh is probably used by more stuff in Pixie. But who knows? We'll find out. Maybe it'll be great. Well, that did nothing, it seems. Alright. How about... What about... Well, we might just have to look at Pixie stuff. Because I have no idea what the hell it does. And there should be a render method, I think. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, it has a geometry. Graphics geometry. Invalidate, draw shape, oh god. Update batches. Build draw calls. Add texture IDs, pack attributes, process fill, process line, calculate friggin' bounds, transform points. That sounds interesting. How far down am I? Add UVs. That's for texturing, I think. Which is not really. Adjust UVs, whatever that is. I don't know what this class represents. How did I get here? It's designed to not be continually updating the geometry since it's expensive to retessellate using earcut. Consider using mesh. No idea what it's saying. Da 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 da. Start poly, finish poly. Let's go back to that render method. Are any of you, if anyone is still here, members of 150 Discord servers that they've just elected to ignore but leave the notification sounds on? Shout out in the comments. Blow me up. Blow me up. Fucking populate batches. Vertex data.buffer. That seems cool. Geometry.points. Okay, where does that get manipulated? In calculate vertices. If there's a transform update or a change to the shape of the geometry, recalculate the vertices. Okay. I don't know how TypeScript transpiles protected methods, so let's see. Do I even have this? No, of course not. Dev.scene. Children. Oh. Player stage dot. Children. Eventually, one of these is going to have a graphics, and I'm going to try and check out its prototype. Which shouldn't be container 1. It doesn't make any sense unless I'm missing something. Maybe I scrolled too far. Oh, okay. So does it have calculate vertices? It sure does. That's great. So let's just mess with that and see what happens. We're just going to be awesome. We're going to go over here. We're going to be so cool. And I think that was in graphics. It sure is. Graphics.prototype dot calculate vertices equals function. So cool. If I had a linter, I would be linting instead of doing this by hand. And we're just gonna be so awesome. Oh my gosh, my realtor is sending me a text message. What does she have to say? What is it even crying about? I don't believe you. That's a lie and a half. Oh wait, no it's not. How are you doing, honey? Are you slaying? Well? Well? It's not awful. Not awful. I think this is, no. It felt like an improvement, but I think it was mostly imaginary. I wonder. World transform, WT. I don't remember what A, B, C, D are. The fuck are these? Thank you. Alt 4, Shift Escape. Is there an A number? Okay, oh, it's a matrix. A. The Pixie.js matrix as a class makes it a lot faster. Okay. Oh, hey. A, X scale. B, Y skew. Da 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 da. Okay. Again, we don't really know what we're doing. We're not being good scientists. But it's okay. Maybe. And that still looks like dog shit. Okay. I wonder. So interesting. Oh my god. I missed everyone's notifications because I was just alt-tabbing through everything, so I'm sorry. Hold on. This is inspiring me to fiddle around with my JS game engine, which isn't inherently a good thing. No, that sounds great. That should be fun. ESLint. Install the ESLint package. Thank you, ESLint. I will install you. I think you should make a podcast episode which is just you reading code to yourself. Could be fun. Could be fun. Could be epic. Go Hubble go. Well, so far this is a big failure. Let's put it this way. This is a big failure so far. Not that we really tried anything, but to me, visually, the graphics are the culprit. I feel like I need to do something scientific to find out why that would be. Because otherwise, everything looks really nice. There's no vibrating. It's purely the graphics who are the problems. Sometimes there is a little bit of a nust factor on the eyes, like his pupils will move up a pixel. Maybe we should play with that and find out why. Dev.player.y plus equals 0.5. Yeah, that'll do it. See, his eyes look stupid. What the heck is up with that? Why is that? Dev.player.height. What do we have? Okay. Dev.player.children. One of these is the head. It'd be really cool if I could give these things names in a nice way. I don't know how I would do that. Oh. And this might have children too. And this whore might have children. Nope. Blah, blah, blah. This is probably not the head, though. This is the body. Oh, these are the feet. This is the body, and probably this is the torso and tail, and this is the head. Yeah. And then this is going to have, yeah. Mm-hmm. And now I get the pleasure of going down here, trying to find height. Okay. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's probably, I think these are all parts of the eyes. Width, height, how about Y, world transform. Okay, that's suspect. But shouldn't be problematic, because obviously everybody else doesn't care. Really, if that doesn't make any sense if that works. It works for some stuff, but that doesn't mean anything. And I don't think I figured anything out. This is bad science. See, it's still fucked. The ground isn't messed up, though, which is interesting. I wonder. Head. This is the eyes, I think. I don't know where the mouth is. I mean, nothing's going to be different here. Oh, well, they don't have it screwed up right now. Fascinating. That's cool. I wonder when it is that it gets messed up. Or is it only when it's in motion that I can see that? Again, you guys probably can't see it because I made the awesome decision to stream at 30 FPS. Who is your favorite character in the new Genesis Explained expanded universe, and why is it Pepsi? Let me get into that. Pepsi is my favorite because of her big rosy cheeks. Let me think what else is good about. Oh, and she says H, and if she worked at H Greg, which might not be a real company anymore. Oh, it's purely online, former retail chain. So this could have been a nice gig for you, Pepsi. Whoa, H.
I overordered, and it's the perfect time to shed a few products at the 20% off sale at Greg.
H.
20% off all TVs, appliances, and you'll save on audio, computers, cameras, and more. When I lose, you save 20% at Greg.
Oh, okay. So that kind of could have been your thing with that H business. What else draws me to Pepsi? I think the HH is a big factor. Fascinating. Fascinating. It's fascinating. All right. How about we try more random shit? Against my better wishes. No, sucks. It sucks. I don't think I can really tap into anything that Container does, unfortunately. But I did definitely mess with it before. Where I just very rudely rounded stuff. I don't think that's a good idea. Ugh. Maybe, though. Why not? Nah. I don't know. We can uncomment stuff and see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Very low expectations. And he's vibrating already. So I'm not into that. See, all that's... They can't see it, of course. But stuff is vibrating. The player doesn't any longer get squishy eyes. So that's cool. All right. So let's just play, you know? Let's just play a bit. So we uncommented my awesome transform code, and that made vibrating that I dislike. How about the code for sprites? How is that going to go? No vibration. Okay. What horrible consequences are there for this? Because previously, if you would go too fast, it was a problem. Okay. This seems okay. So, you know, the secret was just to learn nothing and to, yeah, this is, oh, hi. If you, if you come from the left side, that will trigger, I want to change my outfit. Let's see, because another thing that was happening was when the player was an awkward size, it would vibrate. Doesn't seem to be happening. So maybe the secret was just to learn nothing. That's great. Does the geometry do that thing that I dislike, where it kind of readjusts? Oh, oh. A little bit. Like, if you notice the town text seems to be wiggling. Oh, it absolutely is wiggling. For some reason, I'm not totally bothered by that. It's kind of cute. I can live with that. Hi. Do you look okay when you go down the hill? You look fine. My friend Izzy sent me an embarrassing video of her watching me on her telly. Hold on, everybody. I'm gonna look at a house. I'm gonna dox myself. Oh, that's cutie. Oh, that's very cutie. Love the wood. Love a mysterious opening. Has an AC. Washer dryer. Probably a nice, doesn't look like a super scary basement, just a semi-scary basement. Roof is 10 years old. That's a 14-year-old furnace. Oh, it has a garage? Where? Oh, duh. Okay. That looks really cute. All right. Okay. So we kind of figured out some stuff. The only thing that's wiggling and jiggling is the bitmap text, and God knows how that works. I'm sure it's amazing. But this is looking decent. I'm happy with this. So maybe I will just figure out the text, and then I'll be Happy Town. Oh, the eye looks stupid there. I wonder why that is. Does it only happen when you die? Does it? Oh, sometimes, yeah, the player is getting put into bad places. Ugh, where's my thingy? There's a part where I did floor instead of round. Maybe we'll find that. Dot floor. Oh, I commented it out. Okay. Okay. So we did the sprite one, and that was it? Is that all we did? Sprite. And yeah. Okay. I wonder. I don't even know what most of this stuff is doing, so. How does this look? Does he vibrate? He doesn't vibrate. And do I ever get a silly eyeball? Because that is my least favorite thing. Come on, hit me, hit me. How do you look going down the thing? Do you look okay? Do you look bad? Do you look silly? The town text, definitely still screwed up. And yeah, the terrain definitely does some wiggling and jiggling that I probably just didn't notice before. Let's mess with this again. Oh. What was this? Did it do anything good? Looks okay. Looks okay. Oh, then the eyes get screwed up. I wonder... Oh. Is this okay? Nah. That's awesome. I feel like... I wonder why that one's messed up. Is it only... Probably only the pipes are affected by that. Because they have UVs. I bet if I added a texture to the regular terrain, it'd be screwed up too. We can try it. Walls. And then I have to find out how I did the pipes. Pipe. Oh, it's a mesh. Okay. And then I'm going to end up uncommenting everything. And I'm going to pretend that it works. Hopefully not. Calculate vertices, and then what is this other one? Render default. I don't know, man. Luke, man. Okay. Hello. Hello, hi. I swear I saw a little gap there. Did I? Did I imagine it? Well, that's going to be sad if the lesson was just to learn nothing. Just to uncomment some shit. Or comment some shit. Okay. And then, I don't know. Let's just play. Let's just play. Camera. Let's get rid of this. Because it can probably... It can handle that. Hi. Hello, hi. Well, this unfortunately seems to be working. Even though all I did was uncomment or comment out some hacks that I had before. Huh. Fascinating, darling. maybe let's try taking some stuff away and see what happens. Like, this was questionable. Maybe we can find out what it fixes and tell it, and then leave a comment there so I know in the future what it may be fixed. So far I'm not observing anything. Somebody's sending me a message that might, oh, new, in the nonsense. Square. Alrighty. Oh, I'm happy. How, does this guy jiggle? No, he doesn't. That's great. Fascinating. Did I comment that out? I sure did. And then when I pass away, does anything weird happen with my eyeballs? Oh, I saw it. How does that happen? Okay. I think there's a camera, and it should have like an X and Y. Sure does. Why are those getters? We'll never know. dev.scene.camera.x equals 1196. And dev.player.x. Okay. Thanks, Club Kid. You can play the demo on itch.io. Am I even allowed to post links in my own? Probably not. But it's right here, waiting for you to be playing it. And you get to make a character. And if you make a character, you should @ me on Twitter and share it with me. Or you can post it in the wonderful itch comments. But it's based on my super good friend Oddworg's game, Oddworg Animal RPG, which I played in like, when did Katrina happen? Hurricane Katrina. So I probably played it in 2006, and that game starts with a message that's like, first of all, it starts with a screen that's like, choose your looks, and the options are male, cassetta, female, and then the next thing it says, enter your name, and the default is nobody, and I changed it to Hubble, and I was so impressed that he had supported the name Hubble, because I thought he had to hand program each one, because I didn't know how computers worked. So I sent him an email. 2006, I said. So 16 years ago, I sent him an email, and we are friends to this day, and he taught me a lot of the stuff that I know. So if you've played my games, I mean, a lot of those I owe to him, because he helped me learn all that stuff. Okay, what did we find out? Was that I thought I saw his little eye not look quite right, but I just can't reproduce it. Maybe in a different space, if I like touch a wall in an awkward way, or do a lot of turns, or blink. Maybe if I blink, doesn't seem to be a problem. Either way, I'm much less bothered by it now, so that's good. I'm glad it was, I mean, I'm not super glad that it was, that I didn't learn anything. Then I just kept in some of my hacks. He looks okay when he goes up the hill. Oh, oopsie. The game also, if you think it looks cute, it also sounds pretty cute. I made a bunch of... Well, so far I made quite a few pieces of music. There's a big thing in Oddworld Animal RPG was, like each room had a banger. Even though you were only in there for a few seconds. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm super glad that I fixed it, because it's really been bothering me for a long time. Doesn't seem super fixed, but it'll do. I'm pretty sure I had done this before. At some point, this file probably looked like this. And there's probably more that we can comment out too. I can at least commit this for now. And I'll just, I don't want to commit that. Remove rounding hacks. Fresh start. And then I want to look at the history of this, because I'm pretty sure that I had this exact garbage in here before. Or not. Really? Okay, well, what did the first time look like? Sprite, mesh, transform. And now I have sprite, mesh, graphics. Okay. Did I even change transform stuff? Doesn't look like it. Hey, doesn't look like it. No. How about this? Okay. Alright. Interesting. Aww. Thanks, Club Kid. Club Kid is a familiar username. Do you have a different alias somewhere else? I also think, isn't that like the scene that RuPaul was in? Not that I want to ruin your username. Ru. No. Wait, maybe. Oh, Ernie the Pea Drinker's in there? Oh, George the Pea Drinker's in there too. Yeah, RuPaul. Okay. Oopie. Oopie doopie. Oopie doopie. Well, I am so happy, everybody. Happiness levels are off the chart. All right. Well, Did I even change anything about? Yeah, I did. I sure did. So if I get rid of this, something actually happens. We're going to do that in a second. We're going to get rid of the comments. And then we're going to make sure that everything actually does something. Where? I'm leaving it. Oh, okay. Well, cool. Math dot round. Math dot round. What the hell is this? Is that some shit I made? Looks like some shit I made. Yeah, totally. Definitely some shit I made. What the hell is that? Round pixels ID. Funny. God knows what that is. Fascinating. Everything seems worky-ish. Seems like it. Okay. And how does this work? Oh Christ, it looks fine. Nope, nope, I lied. That's when the text gets funky. Seems necessary for, what is it called? Bitmap text meshes? Oh, let's see about this one. What is this one doing? Doesn't seem like it's doing much, honey. Do we vibrate? Do we have any weirdness going on? Okay. Nope, seems pretty good to me. How's the mirrors look? They look fine. How's this looking? Okay, that is definitely necessary. I can't tell why. And how about this? Oh, Jesus, is that fine? No, I hate it. Okay. And now we get the pleasure of merging an awesome PR into my own friggin' project. Because I was worried I would destroy something, so. Ba-bam. And now it should, yeah. So I'm really cool, and I made a thing so that it'll build my stupid JavaScript project, and it will push it. Is it even loading? No, of course not. It'll push it to Heroku. It'll upload the Mac build to itch. It'll upload the Windows build to itch. What else does it do? I think that's it. It's not super duper cool, but I was so happy when I got it to work. Okay. Now we're gonna... The feeling parcel will shit itself if I switch branches. But we're gonna try anyway, and it's gonna be cool. Yeah, that's awesome. We're gonna pull. Look at that, isn't that great? And hopefully, it's still around, still working. Yay. Now I can get rid of my awesome line. Oh, this morning, I got a bowl of cereal. I was so excited. Raisin Bran. Y'all heard about this? Raisin Bran? So I had some of this. I don't have this nice package, though. Mine looks really ugly. Maybe it has a different name. Anyway, I got this, and then I poured that milk in. I poured that milk right in. And then I was taking some bites, and took a little sniff. And, sour smell. Stinky sour smell. Didn't stop. A couple more bites. And then, I was like, something's off. Something's off about this milk, I think. And then I went to the fridge, and it expired 15 days ago. So I'm feeling really well. Yeah. So if I can uncomment some lines and comment them back out while I'm struggling with, minor food poisoning, you can do anything you set your mind to. And I mean that shit. Oh no. Oh no. There might have been one more that I wanted. I feel like that little jump at the top, at the height of his jump, is not right. So let's find my awesome thing that I uncommented. Da 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 da. Nickelodeon. Why not? Let's try it. Do we still have it? Yeah, we do. It's not a huge deal. What about transform? What the hell is it trying to show me? Let's add some of these back. Why not? Why not? No, import it. Honey, import it. What's gone wrong? That still has it. Transformed prototype. Motherfucker. Yeah, yeah, it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. Guys, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Yesterday, I forgot that this message showed up when you interact with this thing. I'm gonna... Something I wanted to add was make it so that when you touch any of the crates, you pick them up instead of having to touch this weird region that I made. Desert town, not jungle town. And there should be a fucking thing called pickup crate. Blah, blah, blah. Open it up. Show me it, please. Hello. Hello. I don't know how to open it. Ah! Yeah, look at that. Oh, okay, here we go. Alt 4, Shift Escape. Leveled up. Blah, blah, blah. Create interaction. And then instead of doing that, we're just gonna friggin' do crates dot for each. Because I think that's how it works, but we're gonna find out. Oh, not the right place. No, let me place it. What's everyone doing today? Is anyone even watching this? Let's see. It would be nice if this showed a count. Maybe OBS shows a count. Shows nothing. It shows nothing. Oh, this was an hour and 11 minutes. That's cool. One watching. It's probably Izzy. One watching. Izzy, if it's you, I'm leaving. Bye, honey. Have a great rest of your day, whoever you are. Hey, whoever you are, have a great rest of your day. Peace and love. Peace and love.